Hello and welcome back guys to Fequiere Fitness TV. I'm your host, Daniel Fequiere, health and fitness coach. And today guys, we're going to be focused on some glute workouts. That's right. If you're new to this channel, please comment below for workouts you'd like me to do next. And you know how we start this. Dance, dance, dance. Exercise 1. Alternating squat step backs. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and both hands up at your chest. Start by bending down into a squat position. With your right foot, take a wide step back and out to the right side and squat. Immediately step your right foot back to the starting position and repeat the same steps on your left side. That's 1 rep. Complete 4 sets of 15 reps. Exercise 2. Pendulum lunge right leg. Start by standing with your feet hip width apart and back straight. Step your right foot into a front lunge. Make sure both legs form a 90-degree angle and your left knee is close to the ground. Drive through your right heel and propel your right foot back into a reverse lunge. Make sure that both legs forms another 90-degree angle or as close as possible. That's 1 rep. Complete 4 sets of 15 reps. Exercise 3. Pendulum lunge left leg. Repeat the same steps from your right leg over to your left side. Complete 4 sets of 15 reps. Exercise 4. Alternating lateral lunge jump squats. Start by standing with your feet close together and back straight. Bring both hands up to your chest. Take a wide step out with your left leg. Bend your left knee as you push your hips back. Keep your right leg straight. Push off your left leg to return to standing position. Then perform the same steps with your right leg. Once returned to standing, squat down and explode up with both feet. Land softly back down on the balls of your feet. That's 1 rep. Complete 4 sets of 15 reps. Wow guys, another tough workout in the books. Hey, again, please don't forget to comment below for workouts you'd like me to do next. As well, if you like the workout gear that I'm wearing, don't forget to check out my website guys at fequierefitness.com. Thank you so much for watching. Please give us a like and subscribe to the page. And you know how we finish. Dance, dance, dance.